because you're the champion. You can just do as good or worse.
The first race is always quite a big question mark for everyone.
The best GT drivers and teams here in GT World Challenge. The competition is super high.
Being here in the top 10 is already a difficult task.
The grid is massively with well over 50 cars, and if you can win here, you know you've done a pretty good job.
Well, Valentino has always been a hero for myself.
Sharing a car with Valentino is, I think, I can only say it's a big honor.
What is the biggest pleasure about this is that it doesn't feel unnatural at all. You know, he's one of us. He wants to be racing, he wants to have fun, he wants to enjoy what he does, but he wants to be successful at the same time.
As Audi, obviously, you come with a broad chest to the track, entering 25 R8 LMSs over 3 categories. That's the way to start a season.
Couldn't be any better so far. I mean, it's still a 3-hour race coming up, so a lot can happen.
When it turns green, we're all enemies, and then everyone drives for himself. Now, obviously, we give each other respect. We are colleagues, but still, we drive for different teams.
It's go. It's a good start by Witz. It's not a great start by Christopher Meeks, who slots in behind him behind as they go storming up towards Tamburello for the first time.
Caught the gravel, dragged the car across the grass, and Christopher Meeks says thank you very much. No contact.
It's a win for Audi, the opening round of the Fanatec GT World Challenge Europe.
Super happy. What a great way to start this new season.
What a great day. The car was absolutely on fire today. The boys did a great job.
It's a good motivation for all the boys. They did a mega job, for all the mechanics, the whole team. So I'm proud of all of them, and let's see how we can go for the rest of the year.